Hello! This time let's unbox my new XIAOMI Scooter 5 Max, but before we get started, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks! In the box, you'll find an instruction manual, charger, 5 screws, and an Allen key to use with the screws. You'll only need 4 of them. The 5th is a spare. It takes about 9 hours to fully charge the scooter using the included charger. However, you can purchase a fast charger separately, which reduces the charging time to just 3 hours. Push the cable into the steering column tube, then secure it by tightening the included screws. Two screws on one side and the other 2 on the opposite side. Don't fully tighten the screws at first. Start by loosely screwing in all 4, then tighten them all at the end. Yes, 1 screw will be left unused. That's the spare I mentioned earlier. Don't lose this sticker, the QR code on it is needed to activate your scooter in the app. But if you do happen to lose it, no worries. You can also find the same code on the scooter itself and in the manual. Now it's time to activate the scooter, otherwise it will keep beeping and won't ride at full speed. That's it, your scooter is activated and you're ready to ride. Before you start riding, I recommend inflating the tires and of course fully charging the scooter. Oh, and the compressor you see here is not included. You'll need to purchase it separately. Check the video description for affiliate links. When the scooter is fully charged, the power brick light will turn green. If you only push the accelerator lever, the scooter won't move. You need to kickstart it like a regular scooter first, then press the accelerator and the motor will kick in. In some European countries, electric scooter speeds are limited to 20 km per hour. To reach 25 km per hour, you'll need the global version of this scooter. Thanks for watching, enjoy your new scooter, ride safely, and see you in the next video. Bye!